So the question was, how can I create a template on a page and have it hidden so that the students couldn't see the template that I was working on? Well, I don't think that you can actually hide the page, but what you can do is create a new library, and you can make the template on the new library, and then you don't have to hide that, or you can hide that from your students and parents so they don't see that. So I would add a new library, and if I want this to be like the template that I want to use to work ahead, I could just name it template. Oop. So add the library, and if I wanted it to be like work ahead and put my objectives for the next week, then I would want it to be in the agenda, the weekly template. So I'm going to change it to the same template that I want, or not template, the same layout that I want when I'm going to copy this page over into the other LMS. I want it to be in the same layout. You don't need to change the background, the photos. I don't think that matters for this. So once you've created this new library, you just won't check this box. So when this is my LMS that I'm planning on using for my class, I want this box checked because this means it's actually publishing it and sharing it to parent view. When this box is not checked, like on this other library I just created, that means they cannot see it. So I can do whatever I want in this one and they won't see it. So you can add, maybe you're wanting to add the different days to your agenda. So I want to add everything for next week, but I don't want them to see it yet. So you would add everything that you want to add for next week, and then you can take the page. So this page is maybe, let's edit the page name. So maybe this is for next week, so, or the second week of school. So that would be week of 9, I don't even know, 14? Sure. Okay. So this is week of 9/14. So I went ahead and pretend that I put my schedule on here, what I wanted the objectives to be for the next week. So that can just sit here until I'm ready at, Friday at 3:30 when we're supposed to send that out. I can go ahead and go into this page on this LMS and do move page, and then you can choose the library that you want to move it to. So I want to move it to the library that I have published for my students and parents to see. So I would click on Mrs. Stock's class, and since it is a weekly agenda page, I will just add it to the weekly agenda. Okay, now I'm going to click Move Page, and then this is where we move the page to. This is Mrs. Stock's class, the LMS that I have parents and students able to see, and you can see that it moved that week of 9/14 page to here. See, all the background pictures are the same, and if I had put in my information here, that would then show up here.